What's the point of branding? Do I need a brand? Is branding really important? Keep watching to find out. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Paigon here, and today we're going to talk about branding. If you're doing business online or promoting yourself online, you've probably read like 50 million blog posts or watched video content on branding. But is it really important? The short answer is yes. But I'm going to give you a short, long answer instead. So let's start off with, what is branding? Branding is the perception that your audience has about your business, your products, and you as a person if you're creating a personal brand. In short, no matter if you have an established brand or not, you're still being branded. Even though we like to think otherwise, looks matter. You're always going to be judged by your appearance first. That's because people don't know you, so they can only judge by look. That's exactly why branding is important. So what helps you create your brand or the way people perceive you? That's your brand identity. It consists of your logo, icons, typography, the colors you use, the way your website is designed, your voice, which is basically the way you talk or speak, and the way that you write or the words that you choose. These elements are the basics of branding. By choosing the right color, the right language, and other elements, you can actually attract your ideal audience. On the other hand, you know your brand is not working if you're not attracting your ideal audience, or if the way your audience perceives you is the opposite of what you want. For example, did you know that the color blue is an appetite suppressant? So if you're in the food industry, you probably don't want to use that color. But if you're in the industry of helping people lose weight, then this might be the perfect color for you. I wonder if that's why Weight Watchers and MyFitnessPal use the color blue. Now that you know what branding is and how your brand identity can establish your brand, what's the point of branding? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but I'm just going to focus on 2 reasons. Number 1, branding builds loyalty and trust. If your audience relates to your brand, maybe they like what you stand for, or maybe they can see themselves in your brand, then they'll gradually start to trust and loyally buy from you instead of your competitors. Number 2, branding increases your authority and your credibility. This one is kind of obvious. We've all clicked on a link to a sketchy website. I mean, when you see it, you hesitate to buy from them, or you don't buy from them because you think they're going to scam you. None of those sites have great branding. All the big, reliable companies have professional branding. Chanel, Nike, ABC, Target, even celebrities have professional branding and professional websites. Need help branding your YouTube channel? Sign up for my free 5-day email course, Brand Your YouTube Channel, by clicking the link down below in the description box. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video about branding, is that branding helps build recognition and help you stand out online. The secret to branding is being consistent. That means using your brand elements on your social media, your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos, your blog, your website, on anything that you're using for your business. Basically, just keep consistent. Then one day your audience will be able to recognize you by your content and your products because you were consistent with your branding. Like, oh, isn't that Paigon's thumbnail? She must have uploaded a new video. That's the goal, right? Are there any brands that you recognize by their brand elements? Let me know in the comments down below. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends so that I know to make more videos like this. Until next week, bye.